This is gonna be a Funko unboxing video. I've got a couple from Amazon, I've got a couple from Funko.com, and I got a couple special ones that my little brother found for me that I'm gonna share with you. Let's get the first one open, and this one is from Amazon. Amazon's like Shop Disney. It sounds like they don't really ever package these things well, but hopefully it'll be in a box kind of like Funko likes to send. Gotta be kidding me. Look at this. They're just in here all loosey-goosey. The first one I have is Funko Pop number 584. This is Baby Yoda, and he's got his chainmail armor on, and of course the little ball. I can add this to my Baby Yoda collection up here. Oh, I'm sorry, Grogu. And the other one that I have, this is Funko Pop number 583. This is Luke Skywalker with Grogu in the little backpack doing his training. You can kind of see him hiding in the backpack back there. Try to say that like 4 times fast. Unfortunately, this box is a little dented, and I am very disappointed in Amazon because typically it comes in those little Funko boxes. This one did not. Let me give you a little background in this order right here. I originally bought these from boxlunch.com. I used a lot of discounts and all that kind of stuff, so I was gonna get them for a real good price. These were both pre-orders. They canceled my order a month before these were even supposed to be shipped, saying they didn't have the inventory. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy it from Amazon. That way, if it comes in and it ends up being a little cheaper, I'm gonna get the discount. And I didn't have to pay for shipping for these. I was gonna have to pay for shipping if I got them from Box Lunch. Box Lunch keeps canceling my orders, so I'm a bit disappointed in that. I'm gonna have to stop ordering from them because they're starting to do it again. They canceled another order that I had made, and I have 2 more items in that order, which I'm really hoping they're not gonna cancel. I think they're gonna get taken off of my pre-order site list, and we don't have to worry about Box Lunch anymore. The next item I have is actually from Funko.com. I had to get, you know, the free shipping, so I had to get $50 worth of stuff. So I did a lot of math, a lot of stuff in and out of the cart. This is what we ended up with. To round out the order, I had to get a couple of these little mystery boxes. The first one in our order, this is Mickey and Friends. You can see that there's a lot of items that could possibly be in these boxes. I just thought that this would be a fun one to grab because I like everything in here. So let's go ahead and open these up on camera so we'll see which one we got. Ugh, they actually glue the top shut. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Out of 12 different items I could have gotten. The next item I have in my Funko.com order is Sorcerer Mickey, and this is a little soda can one. I have one other soda can Funko, and it's back here. It's actually Steamboat Willie. Let's open this thing. I don't know why they put this one in a bag, but I mean, I specifically ordered this one. But let's pull them out. So I have Sorcerer Mickey and Steamboat Willie. The next thing I have in this box, this is supposed to be a D23 Expo exclusive. But as we know, we've been having a little issue with getting the stickers on these because Funko decided they were going to take them off. This is Jiminy Cricket, and as we can see, there's no sticker on this Funko. So once again, major fail. I got this one directly from Funko.com and there's no sticker. So I will be contacting them and trying to get the sticker. And by the way, update, I still haven't gotten the stickers for the other ones, the plane and the Mickey Pilot. And they keep saying, check back with us in another 4 weeks. So I'll have to do that and add this to my order. And the last item I have here is a little box. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got 2 in here. The first one is a Comic-Con exclusive Clarabelle the Cow, number 1248. It says New York Comic-Con exclusive, limited edition. And I was like, Clarabelle the Cow's fun. I mean, you never get anything with her on it. So I went ahead and got one. And the last item in this box, this is the reason that I actually placed this order. This is the Minnie Mouse number 1312. This was a Funko.com exclusive. It's basically this Minnie Mouse, except she's faceted. It went live on Funko.com and I said, oh, I gotta get that one. Hashtag needed it. I have 4 more items here, and I told you that my little brother got me these from Target.com. And what's nice is these were actually on a clearance discount, which is weird because they haven't been for sale that long for what I've seen. They're on Funko.com for full price right now. He was able to get these for $8.39 on clearance. So this is Pluto number 1189. This is Mickey and Friends. And then I got the Goofy, same price, number $11.90. Here's the Minnie Mouse, number $11.88. And of course, Mickey Mouse, number $11.87. So I can add Mickey Mouse to my collection over here. So that is my Funko haul. Hopefully I ran through that fast enough to where this video is not like 20 minutes long. That was a lot of stuff. What's your favorite Funko to collect? Have you ordered from Funko.com? Have you ordered from Amazon? Have you ordered from Box Lunch and had your orders canceled a lot lately? It's been happening to me right and left. When you get your Amazon orders, have they been damaged? Have they been packaged well? Or have they been packaged like these and they're just loose in the box? I'd like to know what your experience is with all of these different retail situations. Put it in the comments below. But until next time, remember, no capes.